Assalamu Alaikum Dear users, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have topic, we have essay on my house. So let's start. My house. House is a place where we live in. Everybody loves his home. We find real peace in our home. There is no place like home in the world, whether it is big or small. It is not like less than heaven. I live in a beautiful house. It is situated in the heart of the city. It lies in one of the thickly populated streets. There is a mosque in the east. To the west, in a very old house. To its south is a high school for girls. Towards north, it has a beautiful park. The house was built by my grandfather. It has 3 stories. Each story has 4 rooms which are very airy. Downstairs there is a large room which is called the hall. I spend most of my time in this hall. It has a marble floor. It is very cool in hot weather. All the members of my family can sit in this hall. We enjoy our chatting here. At the ground floor, 3 rooms are meant for the guests. All the rooms of my house are tastefully decorated. The drawing room is finished with 2 sets of sofas and some easy chairs. On its wall are hung pictures of the Qaid-e-Azam, Liaquat Ali Khan and Allama Iqbal. Its curtains are specially made to match the color of the walls. The walls are whitewashed. They are neat and clean. Upstairs there are 6 rooms. Out of these we use 3 as bedrooms. The fourth is used as dining room. There is also a small room for me. I do my lessons and sleep here at night. On the top floor, we have a kitchen, a storeroom, and a big hall which is open on all sides. Our house is fitted with electricity. It has also good water system. In short, my house is my heaven. I really enjoyed it. I spend most of my time at home. I love it very much. सो माई व्यूअर्स, ये थी आज की हमारी ऐसे जो कि माई हाउस पर मबनी थी। सो मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और शेयर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। थैंक्स अ लॉट।